Oh my god, guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I just got back from the post office and I have my new iPhone, oh I almost dropped it, iPhone 12 Pro Max in this box right here, and I'm super excited to unbox it for you guys. You know I love Apple unboxings. One of my favorite videos to do on this channel is unbox Apple products. I have a whole playlist on it, so I do it quite often. But honestly, this is the one I have been most excited for. I do have the iPhone 11, so it's not like I have a horrible phone now and I'm upgrading from a bad phone. I just want to upgrade. As many of you guys know, I'm just like pro electronics, so I really like upgrading to new things. So this is the phone I currently have. This is the iPhone 11, just the plain 11, not with the fancy camera or anything like that, and it's the purple one. And I do love it. The only thing I don't really like is the camera. It's not the best quality. My phone before it was actually better than this camera. I need a better camera on my phone because my vlogging camera was broken by my cats and I can't afford another camera, but I could afford to upgrade my phone. So I'm gonna be using my phone as my new vlogging camera. So I know this phone is just gonna have amazing quality. I'm just gonna stop talking. I also have a huge box full of cases and accessories, but I'm gonna open the phone first and then I'll show you all of the accessories that I did get. Here it is. It shipped last week, but it wasn't allowed to be delivered until today because technically today is like the release day for it. Like people can't buy it until today, I believe. So yeah, I did the pre-order. I pre-ordered it when it came out, when the pre-orders came out, which was about 2 weeks ago, I think. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut in here. I have the phone plan with Verizon. This is not sponsored, by the way. Verizon is very expensive, but I have the plan with Verizon where I can just upgrade my new phone. If my previous phone is like halfway paid off, I can upgrade to the new one, and it's only like $5 more a month. So I got the brand new phone for only $5 more a month. Can y'all see my cats going crazy? So yeah, I'm only paying $5 more than I usually pay for the brand new phone, so why not? This phone was almost paid off anyway, but I'm going to be trading it in for the new one. So that one is going to be gone. I love it. It's a beautiful color, but I'm ready for something new. Here is the inside of the box. So we've got the like bill, you know, an $1,100 phone. Yeah, it's gonna take a while to pay that off. And then we have the phone. So there hasn't really been many unboxings of this phone other than like the big YouTubers, you know, like iJustine and them. I haven't like seen anything about this new phone. Like I didn't even know that the box was black. So this is like one of the only Apple unboxings I've ever done where I didn't really know what it would even look like, which is just crazy. It's huge. This phone is pretty small and I haven't had a big phone in a while, so this is absolutely crazy. So let's just go ahead and do my little ASMR moment here. This is stunning. This box is really skinny. Why is it so skinny? But yeah, I got the gold one. I got the gold version and the 128 gigabytes. That's the minimum you can get for the new phone is 128 gigabytes. And my previous one is a 64 gigabyte and I haven't even remotely filled that one up yet. So I know this will last me a long time, especially making my videos. So let's just go ahead and oh, wow. Whoa. This sucker is way bigger than I thought it would be. Oh my god. Let's just take it out carefully. Look how big it looks in my hands. Like I have pretty average size hands, but this is gonna take me 2 hands to even like text. So here is what it looks like if my phone can focus on it well. I am against a window. It's beautiful. I love that this part right here doesn't collect fingerprints like the other phones do, but the side right here definitely is collecting fingerprints for sure. But I mean, look at that gold. And I love how it's square, just like my iPad. I do have the new iPad Pros from this year and they're square and thin. So it's a lot like lighter and honestly just great. So I'm gonna put that down for a second and then just show you what's in the box, which is honestly not much. So we have the charging cable and it's weird. It's like a USB-C to like the, I don't know what the Apple charger port is called. I already have a little box for my iPad that I can plug the USB-C part into, but if you were the type of person who doesn't have an iPad or have a newer iPhone, then you would definitely have to go out and get a power block for this because it's not like a power block you typically see. I don't know why Apple is not including power bricks with their phones. That makes absolutely no sense to me, but luckily for me, I already have one that I use, so it's not a big deal for me. Then we just have this little tiny paper thing right here, and it comes with, oh, we got a sticker. I don't think I got the sticker in last year's phone. I think I complained about it actually. I don't know what this thing is. I feel like this is the thing that pushes the SIM card in, or you can get the SIM card out of. I think that's what it is. I've seen them before, but I've never seen them in an Apple kit before, so I don't know if I'm going to be needing that, but we'll see, I guess. And that's literally all that's in the box. It's pretty minimalistic. Very, very simple. There's not much to it. And since I am returning my old phone, I have to put it in here and then send it out with UPS. They give you a shipping label. So yeah, my old phone's going to be gone, but let's go ahead and just take the paper off of this. I do like how this is protected. Let's do a size comparison. I'm gonna take the case off my old phone. This is just on this side is just the normal iPhone plain, like ones you can get in color. And then this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it's definitely a lot bigger. Here's the back of it for comparison. I'm really sorry about the glare. If I put them up together like this, it doesn't really look as bad. Yeah, obviously the new phone's just a lot bigger. It's not curved, it's like square, as you can see. The old iPhones are curved. It's kind of uncomfortable to hold iPhones because they are curved. They kind of just slip out of your hand, but this one feels like sturdier, like you can hold it better. And that's what I've liked about the new iPads as well, is that it just feels a lot sturdier. I feel like if I drop this, I'm not as scared of dropping this as I am dropping this. Like, this just feels a lot more fragile. Before I turn it on and do everything, let me show you all the cute accessories I got. So I wanted to do like witchy, of course, because I'm a witch. So I wanted to get kind of like witchy type cases, cute cases that I could find. And surprisingly, there was actually a lot of cases. I got 3 cases, 3 phone grips, and I also got a screen protectors. Here is the screen protector. I will put the links down below for all of the cases and protector down below in case you guys would like to buy them for yourself. I believe there's 3 of them in here, so I'm gonna be putting that on immediately. Then we have this phone case right here. So this is a clear phone case with like glittery planets on it. I don't know if you could see it very well. Let me put the phone in it. It looks so pretty. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the phone if there wasn't a horrible glare. With the glitter in it and everything, that looks absolutely beautiful. Now we have a phone case in this little black box right here, and this one actually kind of gives tribute to the phone that I am actually just trading, but it's just a plain purple phone case. It's literally like the exact same color because purple is my favorite color. So I did want to just get a simple one just in case. And the inside of it, it's like a velvet material, so that's awesome. Really like that. I believe all these phone cases were like $5, so they were super cheap. Oh, I got 4 phone cases, my bad. The next phone case is just a plain clear glitter one. It literally just has faint gold sparkles in it, because I just like the simple case and I wanted to get something where I could show the back of the phone, because I feel like the Pro Max is just way too pretty not to be seen, you know? There's that. It's very faint glitter. You definitely have to be looking for it for sure, but it feels really nice. Like, it definitely makes my phone feel safe. Here is the purple one, by the way. I forgot to show what that looks like. Very pretty, and it's super soft. I love the material. And then the last phone case, which I think is my favorite, is in this case right here. I think this was the most expensive one. So this one is kind of similar to the first one I showed you. It is clear and it has constellations. I think this one is going to be the one I'm going to use first. This is stunning. That's what it looks like. It has like constellations and the moon on it. So I'm going to put this one on my phone. I lost it already. It is uncomfortable because you can feel the jewels. There's bejewels that are sticking out. So that kind of feels weird, but it doesn't like poke your hand or anything. So, oh my gosh, so stunning. Love it. Then I just got these little phone grips to go with the cases. Don't know which one I'm gonna put on which yet, but these are kind of witchy as well. I got 2 pop sockets and then a loop. So these 2 pop sockets are very witchy related. We have a moon and then we have like the eye with the moon in it. So I think I'm gonna put this one on the phone case I have on my phone right now, because I feel like it would match the moons on here. And then I feel like the moon would go cute on this one. And then I got this loop one because I actually prefer these over pop sockets. They're a lot more comfortable in my opinion. It's just like a pink marble, so I was thinking of putting the pink marble maybe on the clear one. I don't know yet. I have to decide what I want to do. But that is all of my accessories that I got. I got all of those for pretty cheap. I mean, all of that wasn't very expensive. So I am going to go ahead and turn this phone on. I have done many phone transfers because I usually know how this is gonna work, but I'll go ahead and turn it on. Normally what happens is that when you're setting up the new phone, your old phone will pop up asking you if you want to transfer all of your information, and all of your information from this phone will quickly go over onto this one, and it usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes and it's super fast. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that real fast, and then I'll get back to you on everything else. I mean, oh my god, phone is so big. Okay guys, put my hair up, and about 30 minutes later my new phone is completely set up. I am so sorry if you hear kids screaming. There is really obnoxious kids that live in my apartment complex and they scream all the time, so I'm sorry if you have to listen to them. Probably can. So I decided to go with this first case because I just think the gold with the gold like back of the phone just looks stunning. It took about 30 to 45 minutes, and I also went ahead and put the screen protector on. Unfortunately, it didn't transfer over my widgets. So all of my screens that I had decorated all perfectly with Widget Smith are now gone. So I now have to redecorate my whole phone. I have not put a pop socket on here yet because I can't figure out which one I want to do. And the new phone, the lock button is a lot lower. So I keep pressing up here to lock the phone, and it's like kind of oddly, like not even in the middle, but like right here. I don't know, it's a really weird place. So yeah, I really like it so far though. It's like, you know, there's not much difference, honestly. I mean, it just feels different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't boring. I am planning on doing a what's on my iPhone soon, probably in the next week, honestly. So stay tuned for that. You'll get to see how I decorate my new phone with my widgets and accessories, and you'll see all the cool things I use with my phone. My future vlogs will probably all be filmed with this phone, so you'll be able to see the quality. And I do have to say, I really enjoyed this screen protector brand because it came with like this case that you just put on the top of your phone, and then if you just drop the screen protector on it, it puts it on perfectly. So it made it so easy to put the screen protector on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all of my social medias down below. Oh, and I also wanted to mention that I did make a pet channel. If you guys weren't aware, I did post it everywhere, but if you haven't seen, I made a pet channel. I will put the link for it down below so you guys can check that out if you enjoy my pet content. And I also have all of my social medias down below, like my Patreon where you get exclusive content, and then I also have my Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!